Now let me show you how Power User can really improve your productivity for doing the most basic and repetitive tasks that we all do in PowerPoint. Yes, I'm talking about the time that we spend and we waste on aligning, resizing, and repositioning objects like shapes. Well, Power User is here to make your life a lot easier as you will access to everything you need in the Power User tab rather than having to navigate through different tabs with the classical PowerPoint way. Well, here is an example. Let's take these four shapes. I can give them the same size. I can align them in the middle. I can distribute them horizontally. I can move the shapes further or bring them closer. I can make the slides symmetrical around the vertical axis like this. I can stack and stack the shapes, and group, rotate. I can merge and split if I want, and I can get back to some more basic things like changing the font or changing the color. Another way to gain productivity with Power User is to use the Organize button, as it gives you the possibility to organize objects in a matrix organization. For instance here, I can indicate that I want to organize these logos in 4 rows and 8 columns with no spacing, and here's the result. As you can see, the Power User ribbon is very powerful as it makes it very easy and smooth to manipulate shapes. It will definitely save you a lot of time.